Here's a tutorial on how to snip and then paste it into Google Slides. So again, you'll want to have the slides open and you'll have blank slides so that you could paste it right into there. So I'm just going to have a new slide and it should just come up with the background as a blank or transparent white. So to snip, you'll go to your start bar and your snipping tool should be right there. If it's not, you could just search it down here, and if you put in snipping, it should come up. And so it'll basically look like this with the plus sign, right? So in order to snip something, you're going to have to be on the screen that you're wanting to snip. So for example, if I want to take this picture, if it was the cover of the book that you are looking to snip, basically, I'll go back to the snipping tool. I'll use the plus sign by pressing down on my mouse, and I will just snip the part that I want. Now, here is where you can either save it to your desktop in case you want to use this again, or what's cool about the snipping tool is, like I said before, it's just like you're basically copying something or cutting something from somewhere. So I'm just going to close out of this, and I'm actually not going to save it, which sounds kind of crazy, but I'm going to go right to that slide. I'm going to make sure I'm clicked into the slide. I'm going to press Control V, and right there, what I just snipped pops right up and you can move it around. So this saves you the trouble of saving it to your desktop or even uploading it to your Google Drive. I only suggest doing that if you feel like you're going to use this picture multiple times, because if you didn't save it, you won't be able to go back to it. I mean, you could just snip it again. So again, all I'm going to want to have to do is have a blank slide. Again, my theme has a background to these slides, so yours will come up transparent. All right, I'll go to whatever slide I want to, or whatever picture or whatever it is that I want to snip. So take, for example, this is what I want to snip. I'll go to the snipping tool. I'll grab what I need. Boom, I snip it. Again, I'm not going to save it just because I don't think I'll ever need it again. I'll go to the slide and I'll press Control V, and then there it is, and I can move it around. So this is just saving you those middle steps of having to do it, and honestly, it didn't take me that long to do the levels L through Z, and I was even actually saving those, and it wasn't that bad. So hopefully this helps you with the snipping and then pasting it onto your Google slide.